Hey guys, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 7 in VMware. And it has been a while since I actually made a Windows installation video. But I'm gonna say this, make sure you like, subscribe, and all that. Please. By the way, you press here, let me just do this again. You press File, New Virtual Machine, Typical, Next, and then you see Installation Disk Image ISO, or you can do it if you have an installation disk. You do this, but I have an ISO file. And then yeah, it will do this, and you can download it from like Rufus. Like here, let me show you. You can go like Rufus and download it from there. Because you go to download, and then you go to, and then you press download, and then you can do Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, UEFI shells too. But I already have the ISO file, so I'm gonna press next. If you have a product key, you put it there, but the product key is not required. It has a 30-day free trial before everything goes black. I meant the background, and then you press next after that. You call it whatever you want. We call Windows 7 installation tutorial, and then press next. You can. I recommend doing this, but if you want to split, if you want to put it on another computer, I would recommend that. But you can put this. I recommend around 90, but I'm going to do 100. You can. I recommend 4 gigabytes. On this, and then make it cores per processor. Make it 2, and then you can check these too. And then press close and make sure that's checked, and press finish, and it should do this, and then it will create the disk. And after that creates the disk, you will be able to, it will load up everything and stuff here. You'll see after it creates the disk. Okay, now it's finished. It should power on, but mine is frozen. But it should power on, and it should load the files. Oh, yeah, it should power on. My computer is like really slow right now, and I don't know how to fix it right now. Right now it's loading. Yeah, and it should boot up. And it should say Windows is loading files. If it doesn't, then you didn't get the bootable ISO file. It should start Windows. And then it should get to you setup. Yeah, it should get start setup, and it should load. Which specifically saying that, oh, there it is, and then it should automatically do it. It should automatically do it, and yeah, it should carry on from now. It should boot up after installation. I'm not going to make this video too long, so I'll see you later in the next installation video. Bye. Oh, and also like, subscribe, and all that crap.